Hello, I'm David Chen. Today, I'd like to introduce our compact fixed-blade EDC knife. This is the TWOSUN TS545. The blade is crafted from durable D2 tool steel. This knife will be available through our official auction website. Join the auction and get a chance to own this model. If you like this design, visit our website for more details. www.twosun-yanjiang.com. The D2 steel blade features a rugged stonewashed finish for enhanced durability. The handle combines a black G10 inlay with a striking green G10 accent, creating a unique tactical appearance. Now, let's take a closer look at the internal construction and handle details. Weight reduction holes help optimize the balance while maintaining strength. The titanium alloy ring is one of TWOSUN's signature design elements. Let's test the sharpness with a paper cutting test. Excellent. The edge is extremely sharp. The TS545 is now available on our website with special offers. The auction starts at only 99 cents. If you like it, visit our official auction website today. www.twosun-yanjiang.com. Thank you.